In this video, I will show you how to forward voice message from Telegram to WhatsApp. Firstly, when you're on your Telegram selection and you find out a voice message which you want to get up and send it or forward it to your WhatsApp, you need simply to tap and hold on it, and right here, as you can see, you can save it to your notifications, and then you can send it whatever you want, or you can simply go forward. But as you can see, the option is to forward just to your Telegram friends. Now get back, go again on that side, tap and hold on it, and when you get up right there, if you simply go again here, you can select the same sites, go on it, and you can copy the link, or simply you can go again back on that site and you can go save for notifications, and now you can get up here to your WhatsApp and you can add firstly that link on it, and if you just tap on that link, you're going to be available to hear the voice message. Or also, if you go to your notifications, you can find out it right there.